Everybody should take a class at ASOP.
Anyone that wants to learn should definitely take a class here at ASOP.
And with our seasoned staff of photographers, I'm pretty sure no question can go unanswered.
If you want that, like the college level education, but you don't want to sit inside of a classroom in a big building with a bunch of scary people, you don't want to be worried about your grade. We're not worried about the grade, we're worried about your image. Show us your image so we can talk to you about it and see how you can get it better.
We want to make that experience interactive, hands-on, and a lot of fun while you're here.